Hey everyone, so Black Forest Labs just released this new FLUX.2 Klein model. So I've been playing around with it today. So I just wanted to throw up a quick video to show you how I got it to work, so you can hopefully get it working on your own local machine. So Flux was a really big model a while ago, a few months or a year, I don't even remember. But it kind of dropped off the radar. Like newer models like Z-Image came out, and I kind of switched over to that model. So I haven't used Flux in a while, but I saw that they released this new Klein model, so I figured I'd give it a try, see how it works. So this is the web page. If you want to find out more about it, you can go to this URL. But they say it's really fast, and it produces good output. And these images look just as good as any other model. So yeah, it looks like a good model worth checking out. So I'm gonna play around with it more this week and just see what else it can do. But yeah, so hopefully you can get it working. You could try it too and evaluate for yourself what you think about it. So the first thing you need to do, so just make sure you install ComfyUI. Just have a working ComfyUI installation. I have mine here. This is just a basic stock installation. There's not really any custom nodes or anything. It's just completely stock. But what you need to do is just in here, go into this update directory. There's this update ComfyUI.bat. Just execute that from the command line. It will just go to GitHub, download all the latest changes. Since this is such a new model, you need the ones from the last couple days, any changes from the last couple days in order to use this model. So once you do that, you should be good. You don't need any custom nodes or anything for this. So here I have ComfyUI running. All you need to do is go to this templates, click the templates. This template screen shows everything it's sorted by newest. So since this Klein model is the newest model, you'll see all the ones at the top. If you're watching this in a few months, you could just maybe go to the model filter, look for this, select this one, and you'll find it. So today I just want to demonstrate this this one with the hedgehog. This is the 4 billion parameter model, the text to image. You can try these other ones too. Like there's some edit models in here. This is the 9, and this is the 9 billion. This is 9 billion edit. But the ideas are pretty much the same. So once you get this one to work, you should be able to get all of them to work. Okay, so let's just click this. So the first thing it does is it checks to see what models you have. Okay, so these are all the new Klein models. If you've never used this model, you don't have any of these, you'll probably see this exact same thing. Let me show you what to do here. So I already previously downloaded all of these. All you need to do is click these 4 download links here. It'll download in your browser, and then you should get something that looks exactly like this. And then you need to go over to your ComfyUI. So this is mine right here. And then I'll go into ComfyUI, go down here into models. And this is where it tells you what models you need to copy where. So it's saying here, okay, go to this diffusion model folder on your ComfyUI, so here. And we want to copy this FLUX.2 Klein base 4b. And also down here, it's the same one, so FLUX Klein 4b. So there's the base one and then the distilled one. So we can copy these two, just copy these into this diffusion model folder. Okay. That's that. So the next one, this text encoder. Let's go here, and we want the Qwen3 file. So that's this one. So copy this in here. And then the last one is the VAE. So let's go here. Let's go down to VAE. And then here's the VAE. Just copy that in there. Okay, so that should be all the models. Now go back here. Hit the R key on your keyboard. That'll just refresh all the nodes. Just the nodes know about the new files that you copied. And this is just the standard workflow that comes in the template. This one up here, this is generating with the base model. You can see base. For some reason they have these disabled, but you can just right click it, click bypass, do that, and then hit run. So this is the prompt here. This prompt is going to go into both text images. So yeah, you see that one came up really fast. So this is the distilled model here. Now this is the base model here. So as you can see, it's taking a lot longer. The distilled is pretty quick, but the base takes longer. But we can see what the difference is. Okay, so that's the base model there, distilled model here. Yes, you can see the base model is it's a little more, it's not quite as bright. This one this distilled one has a lot more detail back here. This one has some detail, but back here you can't really see anything. It's all kind of dark back here. The distilled one actually has files, or not files, objects back here. Kind of got some Christmas lights, and this one looks pretty good. But yeah, that's basically it. I mean, go ahead and go try these other ones. Get those ones. You might want to try the 9 billion model too. Basically the same idea. So if you can get this one to work, you should be able to get the other one to work. And if you have any issues, just leave a comment in the comments below. I'll jump on there and try and help you out. I'd like to learn more about this model myself, so that'll give me an opportunity. And yeah, just try it out. If it looks really good, let me know in the comments too. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.